Indian assets in rupees, prices and yields will adjust, and India's bargaining power will soar. Oil, trade, and loans can now flow in rupees, bypassing dollars entirely. Global capital will slowly shift. Talent and investments will flow back to India, and long-term market dynamics will favor nations that step away from dollar dependence. The implications are massive. If BRIC members fully embrace local currencies, the dollar's global influence will weaken dramatically. This is not theoretical. India is already moving forward with projects and investment where the rupee is central. Foreign investors from China, Russia, and other nations are buying rupees, creating unprecedented international demand. The rupee strengthens while the dollar loses its grip. India is now setting rules, not following them. Thank you. Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review and overview rupee, dollar dominance, and reducing dependency on dollar. India has just crossed a line that no one thought possible. The global financial order is facing a tectonic shift, and BRIC countries are at the forefront. The new development bank backed by India, China, and Russia is now rolling out rupee denominated bonds. Foreign investors can now buy Indian bonds in rupees instead of dollars, a move that will strengthen the rupee, reduce dollar dependency, and deliver major blow to US financial dominance. For decades, India relied on dollar-based trade. Every loan, every bond, every international transaction flowed through dollars, giving the US enormous leverage. But now rupees are entering global market, forcing investors to rethink currency strategy. Global loans, trade settlements, and bond market are beginning to accept rupees, driving up demand and giving India unprecedented bargaining power in oil, trade, and strategic deals. This is more than finance. It is global strategy. The dollar monopoly is under pressure. US tariffs, visa restrictions, or market threat no longer carry the same pressure. India's strategy ensures losses hit foreign investors, not the nation itself. Even China and Russia are supporting India's rupee move, signaling a coordinated BRIC challenge to dollar hegemony. Here is the blunt reality. Foreign funds will buy Indian assets